Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautiful. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do that right now, and then let's get into this a very exciting haul video. So I got makeup from Nykaa, and this is a very big box. I would definitely want to show you guys what's inside these. So I have already cut open the tapes of the boxes because that just makes life easier when you're filming a video, right? So the first box, I'm opening the smaller box first, and so they have packaged the items as well as they always do, and there are 3 items in this box. So these are the 3. So let's open the wrap. The bubble wraps that they've used in this are very pretty. They are beautiful. They are not the regular kind of bubble wraps. They have a different design going on, and I kind of like it. I don't know, I'm just a little weird like that. So I like pretty things, pretty looking things, different things, however small or irrelevant they are to the main product. There. So this is the foundation from Iba Halal. So this is the first time that I've ordered anything from Iba Halal. So I just have a video in mind where I'm going to try all the Iba Halal products in one video. So this is their foundation, breathable, oil-free and long stay with SPF 15. This is 100% cruelty-free and also vegan. The second product that I have here is, let me just straight away cut this open. So the second item is pure perfume in raindrops. This is again from Iba Halal. So they have perfumes and fragrances as well, and I really wanted to try this out because when you go to the stores, you really don't know what perfume is cruelty free. You tend to like fragrances, and then it just turns out that it is not cruelty free. So I just thought, why not try a small perfume, and if I like it, then nothing like it. So the third item in this box, this is the last item. This is again from Iba Halal. This is their all day kohl or kajal. So this is again something that I wanted to try because I've heard a lot of people talk about Iba Halal products, but I've never really tried them out. So I'm sure there are a lot of us out there who are very intrigued with Iba Halal products, but we've never ever tried them. So I'm gonna do that in one of my videos, and I'm gonna really let you know how those products perform. So we come to this box, and let me just open it. Okay, so let me just take out the products first and keep them out so that I have a little bit more space here in front of me. So that's it. So there are 3 packets in this as well, but there are 5 products in all. So I had ordered 8 in all, and they came separately with a gap of 1 day. So this is again a perfect look compact from Iba Halal. This is their mattifying powder, long wear mattifying compact, even coverage, oil free matte look, instant skin lightening. Skin lightening is something that I don't believe in because nothing can really lighten your skin like that, and you should not put lighter products on your face because then your face starts looking really strange and really grey. So that's not something that I'm looking for. I just hope that this is a perfect match. So we'll see. And the last, I think, item from Iba Halal. Yeah, this is the last item from Iba Halal. This is their Pure Lips Moisture Rich Lipstick. This is in the shade Ruby Touch. I'm just very curious to see the shade right now. Wow, that's pretty. That is pretty. I think something close to what I'm wearing right now. So there. And the next packet contains, let's see. Okay, so I got this Derma roller system from Bronson. This is efficient system for anti-aging, skin regeneration, skin tighten and collagen stimulation therapy. So I have been wanting to try this for a very long time, and I'm going to do this on camera. So Derma roller is something that I've seen people use, but I have never used it myself. So I'm just going to use this first time on camera to see how this is, because this has ultra sharp needle tips and I don't know how that's going to feel on my skin. So I am going to give you a live demo of how that feels on my skin, and then if I like it, I'm going to continue using it and let you know if this really works. And this, I got it for 250 rupees. This was at a discount on Nykaa, and that is why I purchased it in the first place, because all of us tend to purchase things in discounts, right? So this was at a 50% discount. The original price of that is 500 rupees. I got it for 250 rupees. And the last item for today is this, another product which I've been wanting to try for a very long time. This is again from Bronson. This is their ceramic straightening brush. I have been really wanting to use something like this and test out something like this for a very long time, and finally I just saw this on Nykaa, and this was also at a discount. And let me just tell you how much discount and what's the price of this. So I got this for 592 rupees, and the original price of this is 2000 rupees is what it is labeled as. So that's a very good discount at which I got this. But there are other brushes out there which you are getting at a similar price, I suppose. So this is something that I would really like to use. So that's, let me just show it to you. I just hope that this works, because then this will really solve a lot of my problems with the hair, because I'm really very lazy like that to blow dry my hair or to curl it or to straighten it. Trust me, I'm very lazy. I don't do it on myself at all. So if this works, then there is nothing like it for me. So that completes today's haul video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. There are some items in this which are not related to makeup. One is the Derma roller, which is related to skincare, and the other one related to hair. So do let me know if you want to see many more of such hauls in which I add skincare and hair items as well, and I will bring that to you. And before you move on to whatever you were doing earlier or whatever you want to do next, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my future videos. Thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. I hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Today I am testing out this Bronson Professional Ceramic Straightening Hair Brush. This is the brush that straightens hair, is what is written on the box. They say perfectly straight hair, fast and easy, simply brush to smooth and straighten, salon quality results, great for all hair types. So they say it's fast, safe, gentle, and heats up fast, great for travel, heats up to 230 degrees Celsius. So I am going to test this out today here on my channel, and as you can see, my hair is like not perfect or straight. So I think my kind of hair quality is a good kind of hair quality to test these kind of products on.